Welcome to Veera's classroom. In last video we have seen how to solve a block diagram reduction problem. Here we have another problem. So in this problem, while seeing the number of transfer functions, we have g1, g2, g3, g4 and g5. We have 5 transfer functions and 2 feedback elements h1 and h2. So whenever we are looking for the block diagram reduction, we are supposed to find whether there is a series or parallel component that can be reduced. This is the first step to be done. So when you take a closer look, we can find it out g4 and g5 are in parallel, and again we have another parallel also, it is g3, and above which we have a simple arrow mark. We do not have any transfer function over there. Since there is a simple arrow mark, we will take that term as 1. So we have two different types of parallel component that can be combined. One is g4 and g5, another one is g3 and 1. So it is combining the parallel blocks. When you are going to combine the parallel blocks, it is going to be addition, because the summing point value of both the terms are positive. So it's addition g3 plus 1 and g4 plus g3. Next step is going to be the series of g3 plus 1 and g4 plus g5. So we will just multiply those two terms. So it is g3 plus 1 into g4 plus g5. So this is the steps 2. Step 2 has been done. So when after which we will again check and again try to find whether there is any series and parallel component. If there is a series or parallel component, we will try to solve it. If there is no series or parallel, we will go for whether we have a feedback loop. So here also we have two feedback h1 and h2. In that we will first take the smaller feedback loop, which is h2. So we will take the first smaller feedback loop h2. This is in negative feedback. So the formula is going to be c by r equal to g by 1 plus gh. So instead of g we have g3 plus 1 into g4 plus g5. Instead of h we have h2. So the step 3 will be eliminating the feedback loop. I have drawn this feedback loop separately, and based on the formula we can write it as g3 plus 1 into g4 plus g5 whole divided by 1 plus h2 into g3 plus 1 into g4 plus g5. So we are just multiplying those terms. So it is c by r equal to g3 g4 plus g3 g5 plus g4 plus g5 whole divided by 1 plus g3 g4 h2 plus g3 g5 h2 plus g4 h2 plus g5 h2. This is the term to be substituted instead of the feedback loop in the major diagram. So we are substituting the term in the diagram. After substituting, we can find that the transfer function g2 and the larger block which we have obtained after the feedback loop is in series. So we will just multiply the term and we can keep it ready for the another feedback loop elimination. We will just multiply the g2. So combining the blocks in series. Step number 4, just multiplying the g2 with the larger block. So the answer will be g2 g3 g4 plus g2 g3 g5 plus g2 g4 plus g2 g5 whole divided by 1 plus g3 g4 h2 plus g3 g5 h2 plus g4 h2 plus g5 h2. So here we have a feedback loop. We have a larger term in the transfer function and we have a feedback element h1. This is a negative feedback. So the formula is going to be g by 1 plus gh. So instead of g we will substitute this entire element. Again eliminating the feedback loop, I have substituted the entire element in the denominator. In the denominator fraction we will take a LCM. So LCM, after taking the LCM we can see that the components get cancelled and we got the final answer for c by r. So the answer is going to be g2 g3 g4 plus g2 g3 g5 plus g2 g4 plus g2 g5 whole divided by 1 plus g3 g4 h2 plus g3 g5 h2 plus g4 h2 plus g5 h2 plus h1 into g2 g3 g4 plus g2 g3 g5 plus g2 g4 plus g2 g5. This is the value of the second feedback loop. If you are going to substitute this value in the diagram, you can find this larger block and the first transfer function g1 are in series. So just it is a multiplication. After multiplying we can get the final answer. So the final answer is going to be g1 into g2 g3 g4 plus g2 g3 g5 plus g2 g4 plus G2 G5 whole divided by 1 plus G3 G4 H2 plus G3 G5 H2 plus G4 H2 plus G5 H2 plus H1 into G2 G3 G4 plus G2 G3 G5 plus G2 G4 plus G2 G5. So we found the answer. So if you like this video, subscribe the video. If you want a constant updates, click the bell icon. Thank you.